Welcome to MindEdge, where we explore the hidden future of humanity and technology. Subscribe now and understand the future before it understands you. AI won't replace humanity. It will replace the useless. And whether you like it or not, that selection process has already started. People imagine a future where AI politely asks humans what job they want to keep. Cute fantasy. AI is already judging your value, silently, brutally, efficiently. For years, society repeated the same comforting lie. AI will only help us. It won't take your place. But here's the truth no one wants to say. AI is not competing with the best of humanity. It's competing with the average, and the average is losing fast. If you're slow, distracted, unskilled, or stuck in the past, AI doesn't need to replace your job. It just replaces you. Look at what's happening already. AI handles customer service, marketing, coding, design, analysis, editing, writing. Basic decision-making jobs that once required years of training can now be performed by a machine with zero salary, zero breaks, zero emotion. And here's the part most people ignore. AI doesn't need to be perfect. It only needs to be better than the weakest 30% of humans. That's all it takes to start erasing an entire category of workers. When the bottom collapses, the middle follows. This isn't about job replacement, it's about filtering. AI is sorting people into categories. Fast versus slow, curious versus stagnant, adaptive versus rigid, useful versus obsolete harsh. Yes. True? Also yes. The world you grew up in rewarded loyalty, stability, obedience. The new world rewards speed, intelligence, creativity, and adaptability. Most people don't fit the new criteria. They still act like it's 1995. They still think a job title protects them. AI is not here to improve the system. It's here to optimize it. And optimization always begins by removing dead weight. In the next 3 to 5 years, 40% of tasks will be automated, middle management will shrink, average employees will disappear, only 2 groups will remain: creators and maintainers, thinkers and executors, the adaptable and the obsolete. Governments won't stop it. Companies won't slow it down. People won't admit it until it's too late. You will see a growing gap, not between rich and poor, but between the augmenting and the unprepared. AI isn't killing opportunity. It's killing mediocrity. People are worried about AI taking their job. They should be worried about AI evaluating their usefulness. This future won't be decided by morality, politics, or fairness. It's already coded, already running. Only one question matters. Will you adapt or be selected out? This transmission ends here. The next one is already forming. Stay aware and subscribe to Remain in the Signal.